Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at this piggy bank question. Now, as you can see over here, there were 80 more $2 note than $1 coin, right? So we will just say $2 over here, we will say $1 over here, and we know that for $2, it is how much more? 80 more. So we are going to show that this much is 80. Okay, if I can encourage you all to do one thing, right, and that is to really increase the size of your model, make it clearer. Is that okay? Now, they say when $15 $2 note was swapped for the same value, the meaning of swap means I change. Am I making sense here? Right, so there is actually something that goes out and something that comes in. Okay, all right, now what went out? What went out? We know it's $15, correct or not? So $15 is actually also equals to $30.
Okay.
Do you agree so far? Right? Because, well, 15 times $2, right? And what came in? What came in? $30 came in, but then it is actually $31 coin. Am I making sense here?
Yeah.
All right. What I want to do is really, I want to increase this, okay? Because I know I'm going to cut this into different parts, okay? So I'm just going to increase this. All right, so I will increase all of this. Okay, increase the size. Always a big model. A big model is always the best. Okay, now $2 went out. You must understand $2 went out. How many $2 went out? 15 of those. Can you see that? All right, so because it went out, it disappeared. It poof. We are going to cancel away. Am I making sense here? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show that this came here. But then this is not just 15, but this is how much? 30. $31 coin, which is also $30. Understand? So we are going to mirror image up. And we're going to show that this is also 30. Am I making sense here? So my first question mark really is this over here. Can you see my first question mark? Right, so what I want to do is I want to find the question mark. I say 80 minus 30 minus 15, and that gives me 35. Agree or disagree? Okay, all right, that is my 35. Okay, once I'm done with all of this, then I can read the next sentence, which is sentence number 3. The number of $2 note became twice. So if my $2 note is twice, then how many units for my $1? 1 unit. Am I making sense here?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So if $2 is 2 units, then $1 must be 1 unit. So everything over here, from here all the way until the part before I cancel it, is 2 units. Agree so far?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So from here itself, we obviously can see, right, that this much over here, this 35 over here has to be my 1 unit, and 1 unit is 35. Am I making sense here?
Mm-hmm.
Now the question says, how much money was there in the piggy bank at first? Where is at first? Where is at first? Piggy bank at first. Including the 15. So we go one by one, okay? We go one by one. So how much money? When they say how much money, that means they want the value. Understand? All right. Now, so what should I go first? Can I go with $1 first? Shall we go with $1 first? Now, okay, fine. You know what? We can just go with $2. It's perfectly fine. Okay, let's start with $2 first. Now, $2, okay, we can see that it's actually how many units? It's 2 units. Am I making sense here? Right, so 35 times 2, that gives me $72 note, right? So 2 units is actually from where to here? Where? From here all the way to here only, correct? Let's not forget the 15 that I have. Agree so far? All right, so over here I will say it's 85, $2, no. Okay, over here, all right, 85, $2 notes. Am I making sense here? Okay, so that is only for $2. Let's go with $1. For $1 is how many units? Just 1 unit, right? But do I remove the 30? Because they want us to find at first, isn't it? At first is with the 30 or without?
No.
With the 30 or without? At first. At first I don't have this 30.
Yeah, but it comes from here.
It came from where?
It came from here.
No, for $1. Do I have the 30? No. This was after that. Make sense? So at first, for $1, I don't have the 30, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, because 1 unit, you see 1 unit, right? 1 unit is from where to where? 1 unit is from here all the way to here, correct or not? I just want me to find this question mark over here. Can you see that? So I'm just going to say 35 minus 30, that gives me 5 $1 coin. Am I making sense here? So I make it very, very clear. I make it very, very clear. Now, once I'm done with this, right, what I can do is obviously find the total. Agree so far? Because they want us to find the how much, right? So what is how much? So first thing first, we go $2 times 85. Right now, how much is $2 times 85? $170. Am I making sense here? All right, this is for $2. Understand so far? And then for $1 coin will be $1 times 5. That gives you how much? $5. Am I making sense so far? Alright, so when you add them up together, we go 170 plus $5, we will get to an answer of $175. And this is my answer for this question. Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.